Faith Hope Mama. Just wanted to share with you how my kids and I made some kindness brownies for my husband. And here we go. Why are you getting cold?
I ate an apple juice.
Oh, because you ate apple juice. Faith, you pick up your fork.
It's got on my hands. It started to mess.
And eat your eggs. Okay. God bless you. Would you like to make some brownies today?
Yeah!
Oh my goodness. Brownies? You like brownies with chocolate chips? Brownies with chocolate chip.
Yeah!
And caramel.
Yay!
You know what caramel is?
I don't know.
It is really, really good and sweet and sticky.
I want to have some of that.
We are making brownies, knock you naked brownies. So they should be really good, and let's try it out with, let's see, a toddler, a pre-K-er, and a preschooler. All right, these are my little brownie helpers. So we are -1 who is playing on the floor. First we need some instructions. So we're looking at our recipe here on the iPad, thanks to the internet, thanks to God. We have our caramels, we have some chocolate chips, we have our brownie cake mix, some evaporated milk, some confectioner's sugar, and some butter. Shake it. Good. Shake it. Well, I need to shake with both hands, right? Hold it together. That's right. All right, pour it in. Good job, man. Smash it down a little bit. Where do we have to put this? In the oven or the microwave? The microwave? Yes, so we can melt it up a little bit. Let's do that. Pour it in. Good. So we have our 1 stick of butter, or half a cup. We have 1/3 cup of evaporated milk. Let's see what else we need. There you go, all around. Of course, first you make sure your kiddos wash their hands. But that's it. Messy hands? What is that? Butter and flour. Baking flour, so that the brownies don't stick to the glass and we can still eat them. We just mixed it all together, and now we're going to slice it down the middle and take half of it and put it in our container, and we were going to stick it in the oven so that it can bake 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes.
Can we do like this?
Yep, we smashed it down with our hands, and now we're going to put it in the oven. She's just trying to come up there with you girls. See? I can make sure your kiddos are out of the way or out of the kitchen. Mine are pretty much trained well because I yell when they come close to the stove. And thank you very much, Soso. Okay, so these are our caramels. And I think we need to maybe get the other bag too. It's always good to test, taste, and eat it. Put it in your microwave for 2 minutes. Totally forgot to put in the evaporated milk, so we're going to do that. Zoe, you want to do it? All right, so Zoe is here. She's pouring it in with Mommy. Good job, Zoe. So now we can stick it back into the microwave. Take 2. What are you learning about baking? Anyone learning anything? How about instructions are very important so you know what to do? And following instructions are even more important so that you can make a yummy brownie. So we're gonna take a break real quick while the brownies are in the oven, and that break includes a diaper change, right? Yes?
I need some brownies.
Yes. While they're distracted doing some dancing in the living room, the timer's going off, and the brownies are done, the first layer. Let's get them out. Another good thing that they are distracted because it's hot. All right, let's check this caramel. What's up? Hot. Just came out the oven, hot. Waiting for brownies, dancing.
It's a pie.
Ready for a brownie?
There's a pie over there.
Where?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know either. I don't see a fly.
The pie right here. See?
Where?
Out there. That's the pie. I see it. You see the pie?
No, I don't.
I see the pie.
How about we finish our brownie recipe?
I'm gonna finish
Yes.
too.
All right, let's go in the kitchen. Come on, let's go. We're stirring it up. I'm gonna pour this out over here. It's very hot, so kiddos, just watch and look. So we have our chocolate. There, 1 cup of chocolate. You want to pour it in? All right. Ooh. So we just took our little like chopping board thing and we just kind of patted it out with the rubber. Here, try this. Not real hard, just lightly. Go. We're just smashing it out to make like kind of the top of this, and we're gonna pick it up with our fingers and put it on top, and then we'll bake it. So we just tried to transfer the brownies. Why are you sitting up there? I didn't even know you were up there. Zoe, thank you for organizing the pantry. So we tried to put the brownie mix in here, and we tried to put it into a square and put it in here, and it actually just folded over on us and became a little mess. So I tried to just smooth it out with my fingers, and it looks like this. And now we're gonna bake it. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. She's kind of trying to count to 20.
9, 10,
This is really hot. Stand back.
2, 3, 1, 5, 6, 1,
20 minutes.
2.
What's that smell? Brownies? Oh, you want to check my heart? Here we go. Did it look done? See inside the oven? See that? Ooh, look at that. Don't touch it. Hot means cool. A lot of chocolatey goodness right there. Sprinkling on some confectioner's sugar. And now we'll let it cool. So brownies are still cooling off. A couple things to note. This recipe was a little more challenging and difficult. Very, maybe it's simple, but it just felt like a lot elaborate. So maybe if you're starting off with your kiddos and trying to bake, try an easier recipe. Faith, what did you learn about making brownies with me?
Nothing.
You didn't learn anything?
No.
Well, she said she didn't learn anything. I learned a lot. How to have patience with your kids and yourself. It was a lot of fun. I think they had a lot of fun seeing their little faces light up, especially when eating like a little bit of chocolate. They are gonna be cutting into those brownies right there. And if you do it, kind of time it out so that it's right before their lunch, then it's a nice treat and incentive for finishing your lunch.
I take that.
I hope you enjoyed that video. I have a scripture, 1 Corinthians 16:14. Do everything with love. Just remember that it doesn't always matter exactly how things may turn out. What matters is that you do it with love. That's all I have. Bye.